What are we hearing from the Ohio delegation?
Well, Lee, it's tough to unring a bell, and so it is. We found that the state's Democrats are going all in their condemnation of the president's action, while Republicans, they are holding back. Among Ohio Democrats, the cry is clear. Senator Sherrod Brown tweeting, "Now more than ever, we need an independent investigation into Russian ties." Representative Marcia Fudge says the firing raises many questions and the American people deserve answers. Congresswoman Capter making the comparison to Richard Nixon and making her call for an independent investigation. And Tim Ryan continuing the Watergate theme, calling it a Tuesday afternoon massacre. "We need a special prosecutor to investigate," he tweeted. Among Republicans, Ohio Governor John Kasich, who spoke highly of Comey to me last summer.
It's very well thought of. I mean, he speaks a lot of truth to power and has throughout.
Tweeting he's troubled by the circumstances surrounding the dismissal, calling on both parties to put partisanship aside and put the country first to ensure there are full and fair investigations into Russia's efforts to influence our election. And Senator Rob Portman adding, "Given the timing and circumstances of the decision, I believe the White House should provide a fuller explanation regarding the president's rationale." Among Ohio Republicans, though, their voices are few. From Northeast Ohio Republican Congressman Jim Renacci, Dave Joyce, Bob Gibbs, and Jim Jordan, radio silence.
They're being very careful about not making statements that they then have to walk away from. And there really is no time factor.
Depending on the public's reaction, it's easier to weigh in later than it is to walk back comments made too early. Live in the newsroom, John Kasich, News 5.